Guys, this is Elrich and welcome back to another Minecraft video. I'm gonna show you how to make this thing. Airplane in Minecraft PE 0.15.1 and 0.15.0. That's it. And all I did is do this. Slime blocks, pistons and sticky pistons and block of redstone. Let's do this. And I'm sorry for the loudly ouch. No. Yeah, that's it. And you need to do is face the sticky piston in that thing, and the piston face the thing, and you do this. I'm sorry for the loudy. Yeah, okay. Now, let's do this. And there you go. And now, let's do this. Let's try this up, and let's put the thing, the redstone block in here. Let's do this. Now, there you go. You can launch yourself in your Alright, oh no. Okay. Shit. Yeah, this dude. You're gonna finish this thing, okay? Guys, that's it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.